If you're searching for a lightweight vacuum that actually delivers, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down my top 10 favorite lightweight vacuums that pack serious cleaning power without the bulk. Whether you're a tech lover, a busy home cook, or a fitness fan who needs quick floor cleanups, these picks will make cleaning insanely easy. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is one of my top lightweight picks for anyone wanting premium power without the heavy design. This vacuum stands out with its laser dust detection, which reveals microscopic particles on hard floors, making cleaning feel almost futuristic. I love how effortlessly it glides across different surfaces, and the suction automatically adjusts thanks to Dyson's smart sensor technology. The compact size makes it perfect for quick daily cleans, apartments, and homes with pets, especially if you're someone who appreciates advanced tech. The V12 is also quieter and more energy efficient than earlier Dyson models, giving you an overall smoother experience. The detachable battery offers impressive runtime, and the versatile attachments make spot cleaning easy. Whether you're dealing with crumbs in the kitchen, dust in the living room, or hair on carpets, the Dyson V12 gives you a lightweight experience with maximum cleaning capability. Tineco Pure One S70 Stick Vacuum. The Tineco Pure One S70 Stick Vacuum is a lightweight, intelligent cleaning solution that's perfect for tech lovers and busy households. One of my favorite things about this vacuum is its iLoop smart sensor, which detects dirt and adjusts suction automatically. This makes cleaning more efficient because you're not wasting battery life when the surface is already clean. The S70's dual motor power head gives excellent carpet agitation, pulling up deep embedded debris while staying remarkably quiet. It's ultra light, easy to maneuver, and great for everyday messes, from pet hair to kitchen spills. The LED display gives real-time updates on performance, battery, and debris levels, making the whole cleaning process feel modern and intuitive. The long battery life and strong suction make it ideal for larger homes as well. If you love smart gadgets and want a vacuum that feels like it came straight from the future, the Tineco Pure One S70 won't let you down. Eureka AirSpeed Ultra Lightweight Upright Vacuum. The Eureka AirSpeed Ultra Lightweight Upright Vacuum is a fantastic pick if you want a powerful upright vacuum without the weight. I love how straightforward it is. Simple design, strong suction, and lightweight enough to carry with one hand. This vacuum is especially great for home cooks and families because it handles kitchen crumbs, dust, and hair with no problem. The AirSpeed technology gives steady airflow, which maintains suction even as the dust cup fills. It's perfect for both carpets and hard floors, making it a versatile option for all types of rooms. Because it's corded, you get consistent power without worrying about battery life, which is a huge plus during deep cleaning sessions. The washable filter and easy-to-empty dust cup keep maintenance cheap and simple. If you're searching for a budget-friendly, lightweight upright that performs like a much more expensive model, the Eureka AirSpeed Ultra is a solid, reliable choice. Bissell 2033 Featherweight Lightweight Stick Vacuum. The Bissell 2033 Featherweight Lightweight Stick Vacuum is an incredibly convenient 3-in-1 cleaning tool, perfect for quick cleanups. I love how versatile this vacuum is. You can use it as a stick vacuum, a handheld, or a stair vacuum depending on what you're cleaning. It's super lightweight, making it ideal for fitness fans or busy home cooks who want something easy to grab between workouts or meal preps. Despite its small frame, the Featherweight delivers surprisingly strong suction, especially for hard floors. It's amazing for picking up everyday debris like crumbs, dust, and pet hair. The corded design ensures continuous cleaning power, and the dirt cup is simple to empty. This vacuum shines in apartments, dorm rooms, kitchens, or any space where convenience matters. If you want a budget-friendly, lightweight stick vacuum that's perfect for daily touch-ups and fast cleanups, the Bissell Featherweight is a dependable option. Shark WandVac Cordless Handheld Vacuum. The Shark WandVac Cordless Handheld Vacuum is one of my favorite lightweight handheld models, perfect for quick spot cleaning. It's incredibly sleek, modern, and ultra-portable. Great for tech lovers and anyone who likes a minimalist setup. What makes the WandVac stand out is its powerful suction for its size, easily handling pet hair, food crumbs, and dusty corners. I love using it in the kitchen, car, and on upholstered furniture because it's always ready for quick cleanup. The charging dock keeps everything neat and accessible, and the attachments make it even more versatile. The tapered nozzle allows for precise cleaning, while the pet tool is excellent for soft surfaces. Even though it's small, it offers the power you need for those unexpected messes. If you want a lightweight vacuum that's stylish, efficient, and perfect for spot cleaning around the house, the Shark WandVac is a must-have. Black+Decker PowerSeries Plus 16V Cordless Stick Vacuum. The Black+Decker PowerSeries Plus 16V Cordless Stick Vacuum is a fantastic lightweight option for everyday cleaning. I love that it's budget-friendly while still offering strong performance. The AutoSense technology is incredibly helpful. It adjusts suction based on floor type, saving battery life and giving you the right amount of power when needed. This vacuum is perfect for fitness fans or families with busy schedules.
schedules because it's easy to grab, lightweight, and simple to store. The anti-tangle brush helps prevent hair from getting wrapped around the roller, which is a lifesaver if you have pets. The removable battery gives solid runtime, and the wide cleaning path makes rooms faster to clean. The swivel steering is smooth, and LED lights help illuminate debris. For anyone looking for a dependable, lightweight, cordless vacuum that balances price and power, the Black+Decker PowerSeries Plus 16V is a strong pick. Hoover ONEPWR Evolve Pet Elite Vacuum. The Hoover ONEPWR Evolve Pet Elite Vacuum is a powerful yet lightweight option designed especially for pet owners. I love how Hoover combines strong suction with a lightweight upright frame, making it great for deep cleaning without straining your back. The ONEPWR system means the battery is interchangeable with other Hoover tools, perfect if you're already in their ecosystem. It's fantastic on carpets, pulling up embedded pet hair and dander with ease. The dust cup is larger than most lightweight vacuums, which means fewer trips to empty it during big clean sessions. The brush roll is engineered to minimize tangles, a big win for pet lovers. Even though it's lightweight, it has the feel of a full-size vacuum with the convenience of cordless design. If you want deep cleaning power in a lightweight package, the Hoover ONEPWR Evolve Pet Elite is one of the strongest performers on this list. Samsung Jet 75 Pet Cordless Vacuum. The Samsung Jet 75 Pet Cordless Vacuum is a premium, lightweight option that delivers excellent power and sleek design. I really appreciate how Samsung blends performance with comfort. The Jet 75 is easy to maneuver, well-balanced, and fantastic for long cleaning sessions. The suction power is strong enough to lift fine dust, pet hair, and embedded dirt with ease. The multi-cyclonic system keeps airflow consistent, and the washable filters make maintenance easy. For tech lovers, the digital display and smart battery management are major perks. It's also great for pet owners thanks to the Pet Tool that removes fur from carpets and upholstery. The long battery life means you can cover large areas without stopping, and the attachments make it easy to clean everything from ceiling corners to couch cushions. If you want a lightweight vacuum that's both stylish and performance, the Samsung Jet 75 is a top-tier choice. Kenmore DS1020 16V Cordless Stick Vacuum. The Kenmore DS1020 16V Cordless Stick Vacuum is a lightweight, affordable option packed with convenience. I love how simple and smooth it is to maneuver, especially around tight spaces or furniture. It's great for anyone who wants a reliable vacuum without paying premium prices. The 16V battery offers solid runtime for daily cleaning routines, whether you're tackling kitchen messes, living room dust, or pet hair. The 2-speed power control helps manage suction depending on the debris type. The filtration system captures fine dust and allergens, making it a good choice for allergy-sensitive households. It also converts into a handheld vacuum, giving extra flexibility for cars, stairs, or countertops. The motorized brush head works surprisingly well for its price point. If you're searching for a lightweight, multi-purpose vacuum that delivers great value, the Kenmore DS1020 16V is a smart and reliable option. Wyze Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Wyze Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an impressive lightweight vacuum with a modern design and great suction for everyday cleaning. I really appreciate how Wyze offers premium-level features at a budget-friendly price, making it perfect for tech lovers who want smart performance without the big cost. The LED display shows battery life, suction mode, and filter status, keeping everything easy to manage. The lightweight build makes it effortless to use, even for long cleaning sessions. It handles pet hair, dust, and crumbs with strong, consistent suction. The HEPA filtration system ensures cleaner air, which is excellent for allergy-prone users. Multiple attachments, including a crevice tool and a soft brush attachment, allow you to clean furniture, cars, and tight corners. The battery life is solid for daily use, and the vacuum charges quickly. If you want a lightweight vacuum that feels modern and powerful, the Wyze Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a fantastic pick. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals on all the lightweight vacuums featured today. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more smart product breakdowns.